Hello friends. It's time to learn something new.
Let's go.
Today we will meet the planets of our solar system.
Mercury, the closest to the sun. No time to chill. Literally, it's either burning or freezing.
Venus, hot, cloudy, and moody. It wears thick clouds like a giant fluffy blanket.
Earth, our happy home, full of water, trees, animals, and snacks.
Mars, the red one, looks like it's covered in spicy dust.
Jupiter, huge, has a big storm that's been spinning forever.
Saturn, has cool rings, looks like it's ready to hula hoop.
Uranus, rolls around sideways, cold and kinda goofy.
Neptune, far away, windy, and super chill, literally.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye kids.